In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Steam account if you've forgotten the password or email. So the first thing you need to do is just open up an internet browser and go and search for Steam and then just click on this top website here. Now once you're on the official Steam website, click on login in the top right hand side and then scroll down and click on this button here, help I can't sign in. Click on I forgot my Steam account name or password and then go and enter the email address associated with your account. Now if you don't know the email address, you can just go and type in a random email address. Go and complete the captcha and click verify and click on search. Now, if you do know the email address to your account and you still have access to this, you can just click on email and account verification code, and that's going to send you over a code that you can use to verify your account. From the email link, you'll be able to change your password from here. Now, if you don't know your email address, then you're going to get a message, something similar to this. Sorry, we're unable to find that email address. And what you need to do is click on search with my account name. Now go and enter either your Steam name or your telephone number. So I'm just going to enter my Steam name and click on search. Now, if you don't have access to the email address registered, click on I no longer have access to this email address. And now you'll need to start filling out this form below. So go and enter your current email address. Now this needs to be an email that you still have access to. Go and enter the first ever email address that you used on your Steam account. If you can't remember this, then just use any other email address that you do remember. If you've entered a telephone number for your account, then go and provide that here. Now in the anything else we should know about the issue you're having, this is where you want to provide as much information you can about your Steam account. So one thing you can do here is if you've ever purchased a game on Steam, then you can go and mention that in this description, and then you can go and upload an attachment of your bank statement or just a receipt that basically proves you buying that Steam game. And this is one way to go and verify your account. Now once you finish filling all of this out, go and press send. And now what you'll need to do is go and enter the verification code sent to your new registered email address. Once you've entered the code, click on send. Now once your support ticket has been created, this will typically take 2 to 3 working days for Steam to go and reply. If they do require any further information, then they'll let you know via email. And this is basically the quickest way to recover your account without knowing the password or email. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.